In this video, we'll take up the homework sheet on classifying triangles and quadrilaterals. So question 1, just a multiple choice question. If the slopes are negative reciprocals, then of course the triangle is a right angled triangle. For question 2, you're just finding a line segment which is parallel to that, so you just do a bunch of slope calculations, and if you do that, you'll see that the answer is D. For question 3, which of those line segments is parallel to FG? So you have to find a slope that is negative reciprocal to slope of FG, and the answer is C. For 4, you have to find the same length as the line segment JK, and the answer is also C. So it's just a bunch of calculations, and you're just checking which one works out. 5. What type of quadrilateral has 4 equal sides? And the answer is square or rhombus. 6. Which type of quadrilateral, which of the following best describes a rectangle? And the answer is B. It's a parallelogram where adjacent sides are perpendicular. Okay? You don't know anything about the side lengths except for the fact that opposite sides are the same length. Which of the following is not true about a rhombus? And the answer is B for 7. Adjacent sides don't have to be perpendicular. That's if you're a square. For question 8, if you're told that all the lengths are the same, you either have a square or a rhombus. And if you want to tell if the quadrilateral is a square or a rhombus, what do you need to know? You need to know the slopes. So I said the slope of PQ. I actually forgot, you actually need another slope. So what other information is needed to determine exactly the type of quadrilateral? So slope of PQ, and let's do slope of what's adjacent to PQ. PQ would be QR. Okay, if I have these two slopes, I'll know if adjacent sides are perpendicular. I just check if they're negative reciprocals. Okay, let's see, number 9. I'm told the slopes, so I'm definitely having a square, right? Because adjacent sides are perpendicular. I need the lengths. I need to see the two lengths, adjacent sides, and see if they have the same length. And then I can tell you if it's a square or rectangle. If they're the same, then it's a square. If they're not the same, it's a rectangle. Question 10. Okay, so here we go. Here's the calculation. So I check the lengths, the 3 lengths. They're isosceles, and I check the Pythagorean theorem if it works out, and it does work out. So since it does work out, then I know it's not only is an isosceles triangle, it's a right isosceles triangle. Okay, so 2 of 3 sides are equal in length, and the Pythagorean theorem is true. What else we have here? 11. Is the triangle of vertices... Okay, same, so classifying triangle. So once again, 2 of 3 side lengths are the same. It's isosceles, but I checked the Pythagorean theorem. It doesn't work out. So since the Pythagorean theorem is not true and 2 of 3 sides are the same length, it's an isosceles triangle. Okay, what about 12 here? Ooh, a quadrilateral. Okay, so I solve for all 4 slopes. So it's definitely a parallelogram. It's not a square, not a rectangle. I need the side lengths. Oh, adjacent sides are the same length, then it's a rhombus. So that's the solutions for classifying triangles and quadrilaterals.